everybody, this is Manpreet and welcome back to my booktube channel. Today's video is a book haul. Basically, I bought a lot of books and I want to show those to you guys. These are all Indian books because I wanted to focus on reading Indian authors this month. One of the books was sent to me by an author and rest of the books were bought by me. So let's get started with this video. If you want to know about some new books, some cool books which I picked up. The first book that I picked up is Island Game of Modern Life by Himanshu Kumar Shah. I picked up this book because it has a very interesting plot. So basically 4 people die and then they go to Yamraj and Yamraj gives them a chance to be alive again. So basically they have to play a game and whoever wins will get a chance to be back on earth as an alive person. So this is what the book is about. I saw this book and so white pages, such a great font. I loved it. Like it's one of those copies which I'm gonna love just because they are printed so well. Now I'm going to tell you about all the books that I bought myself, and I bought all of these books for like 1250 rupees. These are 7 books in total. I do not remember the price of individual books. So the first book that I want to show you is The Shadow Lines by Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh is one of the must-read Indian authors which everyone recommends. So I wanted to read Sea of Poppies, but I could not find that book. So I picked up this book. So I'm gonna just try reading this author's writing style and see how this book turns out to be. The next book is also a highly recommended book, and that is The Elephant Paradigm by Gurcharan Das. This book is basically about a take on what changes came into India in the 90s and how India is like as a country at present. Like it dives into the political, economic and likewise details. So it's a very serious book, I agree, but as you know, I read one political fiction which has got me all interested in India's state, political, economic and all that stuff. That's why I picked up this book. Next book is House of Cards by Sudha Murthy. So this book is about a woman who is married and she's always moved by how selfish people are. She doesn't like that, and then her husband leaves his government job and dives into the private sector, and he's all into that bending the rules thing. And after a while she discovers that, and then she decides to leave him. But it's all not that simple. So that's what the story, the overall plot is about. The next book is something which I would term as a big find, and it's Tantra by Adi. So basically I always used to think that Indians do not write about things like vampires and all that stuff, and finally I found a book which is about like vampires, a vampire hunter and so on. So I'm pretty much excited to read this book. The next book is Losing My Virginity and Other Dumb Ideas by Madhuri Banerjee. So this book is about a woman who tries a lot to fall in love and to find her right love, but she fails to do that, and then she decides that no matter what happens, she's gonna lose her virginity, which is a very crazy idea. I was really fascinated with the kind of plot this book has, so that's why I picked up this book. Like this seemed to be a different Indian book. The next book that I picked up is 21 Things Every Girl Should Know by Sneha Mehta. Now, I haven't read this book, so I cannot say that, this is exactly what the book is about, but this book seems very similar to a book which I read in my childhood. That was Pink Pages. I do not remember the author, which had all the details about, all the things that go on with women, their psychological, emotional, all that states. I'm just hoping that this book is not a, utter copy of that book, because that would make me hate this book. And let's see how it turns out to be. And the next book is The White Tiger by Arvind Adija. This is a very recommended book and I picked it up. The White Tiger is nothing about tigers. It's about a guy who tries to rise from a very low economic state, financial state, to something good, something nice, and it has all those like bad things, good things. That's what I got from the rough plot I read about this book. And it's a hardcover. I have bought a hardcover after a long time and I got it at a good price. So I'm pretty much happy with this copy. That's it guys, these are the books that I bought, and I really want to read these books because I wanted to read Indian authors to be able to tell you more about Indian writing. I would really feel good if you kind of support me in this thing I am trying to do for you guys. So let me know if you liked it or not, and any kind of new ideas which you might have, so that I can make this channel very specific to Indian audience. Also, I have made new social media profiles on Facebook and Twitter as Indian Booktuber, so make sure you follow me there. You should connect with me over there because we are gonna have a lot of fun talking about books and discussing about books, right? That's the end of this video, and now I need to go home and shoot some tag videos for you guys. So I'll be back with another video very soon. This is Manpreet signing off, and don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up and comment down below and share my video.